If your Google account is out of storage and you're not able to send or receive emails or backup photos or videos from your phone or do anything in relation to storage with Google for absolutely free, this video is going to be interesting because I'm going to give you a solution to this problem. Watch my video completely till the end. So why does this happen in the first place? It is simply because of the fact that your free storage of 15 GB from Google is through. So if your emails or your attachments in the emails or your photos or videos that you back up from your phone goes over 15 GB, then your account is like kind of blocked. You cannot even send or receive emails or, kind of sync your photos or videos to your Google account, which is frustrating. You have an option to upgrade and take up a monthly plan with Google, whatever the charge is according to your location. You get maybe 10 GB or 15 GB or whatever storage extra on top of that 15 GB. But if you are a person who is not wanting to pay any money and just wanting to use the free plan of 15 GB, this is what you need to do. The first thing is log into your Gmail account and you're going to see this message which says out of storage emails will stop on January the 16th or whatever. You get a notification, something like this, and you also get a prompt telling you get 100 GB for rupees this much or dollars this much for 3 months or 1 month or 2 months or whatever it is. It may be customized according to your location. So if you want to use the free plan only, what I would suggest is get onto Google One. Just type in Google One in Google search and log into your Google One account. So basically this is the interface to control the storage setup with Google, and then you're going to see all your storage and backup and everything. Okay, so as you could see, this account is 100% used. It is backed up from 2 devices, which is hectic for your storage with Google, and the cleanup suggestion is for 19 GB plus. So here you click on view and then you get to this page. So you see which has the largest files. Okay, you could go ahead and clear your emails, click on review. For your trash, select delete all, click on permanently delete. You could see you got back 15.76 MB. Get back to this page. In this tab for spam emails, click on review. You get directed to this page. Click on delete all, checkbox this, click on permanently delete, and then you get back this much of space. Get back to this page, and now you finally see a tab which tells you that you have 19 GB plus of files that you may just want to clean up. Click on review, and here whatever files you want to clean up, like video files or whatever, just select it and clean it up. Or what I would suggest is just download all of these to maybe your external hard disk drive or your pen drive or whatever it is and store it out there. So when you do this, it frees up your memory and automatically you could start receiving and sending emails. So if you free up more storage, then you could send or receive emails. You could start syncing your new videos or pictures and stuff like that. But what I would suggest is do not go ahead and auto sync whatever you do on your phone, like maybe photos or videos or whatever it is. Do not do that. If you want, you could create a backup for your photos and videos on a pen drive. Whenever you take photos or videos for an event, you could just transfer that to your pen drive after the event, or external hard disk drive and stuff like that. Don't do it on your Google account. Keep your Google account free so that you could at least send or receive emails. If you need more space, that's okay. Google has fantastic plans for you with fantastic pricing. If you want, you could go ahead and upgrade. That's not an issue. Google is a fantastic company providing you with the best of solutions. Okay, so you could also go for this. But if you are a person who wouldn't want to invest any money and continuously send or receive emails, at least ensure your free storage is not through. What I would suggest is once in a week, clear off your emails, your photos, or whatever is getting stored in your Google account. Take care, my friend.